In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Jotform account. If you've decided you no longer need Jotform or you just want to clean up old accounts you're not using anymore, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you know exactly what to expect before you confirm anything. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Jotform's website by typing in jotform.com and hitting enter. Make sure you're signed in to the account you actually want to delete. If you manage multiple accounts, it's a good idea to quickly double check the email address shown after you log in so you don't remove the wrong one. Once you're on the Jotform homepage and logged in, look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small avatar with your initials or an image you've uploaded. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. This is where Jotform keeps links to your account-related options. From that drop-down, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you away from the main dashboard and into the settings area for your account. Give the page a moment to load. So the settings area is where you can manage things like your profile information, security options, and other preferences tied to your account. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a menu with different sections. Look for the one labeled Account and click it. This section is specifically dedicated to your account level controls, including options that affect your entire Jotform profile, not just individual forms. Once you're in the account section, you're in the right place to proceed with the deletion. Now, scroll down through the account page until you reach the bottom area. Take your time here. You might see other settings such as language preferences, time zone, or data options. Keep going until you see a button or link that says Delete My Account. This is the control you'll use to permanently remove your Jotform account. Before you click it, pause for a moment and consider whether you need to back up anything important. Deleting your account usually means losing access to your forms, submissions, and any associated data. If you have active forms collecting information, you may want to export your submissions or download copies of your forms first. Once you're sure you're ready, click Delete My Account. After clicking, Jotform may show you a confirmation message or warning explaining what will happen next. You might be asked to confirm again, often by clicking another confirmation button or entering your account details. Follow any on-screen prompts carefully. This final confirmation is there to make sure account deletion is intentional and not done by accident. When you complete that confirmation, your Jotform account will be scheduled for deletion or removed right away, depending on Jotform's current policy. You may also receive a confirmation email letting you know the process is complete. And that's all you need to do. You've gone from the home page into your profile, into settings, then the account section, and finally use the Delete My Account option to remove your Jotform account.